For 3 days, from March 6th to March 8th, 1962, a relentless killer storm pounded the entire island, taking 32 lives, tearing up beaches, property, and resulting in millions of dollars worth of damage. One tremendous tidal surge washed over the entire island, causing it to split apart in several places. Roads and houses were left underwater. 80% of the structures on the island were damaged or completely destroyed. The Ash Wednesday storm of 1962 would be known as one of the most destructive in New Jersey's history.